to highlight that when such incidents take place and without any evidence, without getting into the proofs, without a credible source, certain countries are blamed for these incidents without any verification. So there was a whole campaign of fake news around that incident. I would also like to state that it's a very, very sad incident. It's highly condemnable. The Prime Minister, the President, Pakistan's government categorically condemned the incident. And since Pakistan is a victim of terrorism and has remained a victim of terrorism for so many years now, and we actually know what it feels like, we can feel the pain of Australia, the citizens of Australia, and we can relate to it because we see this happening in Pakistan. So, as victims of terrorism, at the outset, let me condemn the Bondi Beach, Sydney incident, and also state that we express our solidarity with the government and the people of Australia, and we also would like to compliment the Australian citizen who subdued one of the attackers and saved a lot of lives in the process.